guys. We are just leaving Verizon up here. Had a pretty awesome experience. And didn't have to take that long at all. And you know that ain't necessarily always the thing when you're dealing with these doggone phone companies at all. But I had upgraded to a big boy phone. My other phone was working just fine. It had a crack across the screen. The volume button was damaged. I had it for 4 years. I had the insurance on the phone. And so they did an insurance claim, right? So it still was a $200 deductible. Well, of course, they don't have my phone anymore. Not even in a used or refurbished model. So what they done was they got me a brand new phone. And the brand new phone is a Galaxy body. I don't even know what this damn thing is. But one thing I hate is to have to learn a new phone. So I'm going to have to learn this new phone all over again. Well, that's all right, I will. But it's like 128 gig. It's an Android. It's a Galaxy something or another. But they let me know it was the latest and greatest on the market, brand new. I just got them to exchange my information and to get it set up a little bit. I have to fine tune it the way I like it. And of course they tried to sell me a tablet, which I got 2 of them that I do not use, but them tablets I got ain't worth the plug nickel. And saved me about $20 a month. So I don't know if I get a tablet or not. But back to what I was saying is, yeah, I gotta learn this phone all over again and figure some things out. This is the December, and I had got that COVID booster shot yesterday, and that daggone thing made me feel bad. The first 2 shots that I got, the COVID shot, which was Pfizer, I got the Pfizer. The first shot and the second shot I didn't feel nothing. Had no problems. Didn't have no symptoms. My arm didn't even hurt. But now this booster, of course I got it at a different location, but this booster I got kind of made me feel a little, I guess sleepy. I didn't feel bad, but I just got real sleepy. And I could feel my arm being a little sore. But it just so happened that I called in today. I just didn't feel like dealing with no kind of sicknesses or achy bodies and stuff like that and be on the road. It just happened to be a nice day. So I'm taking advantage of running around, taking care of some errands. I did go see the doctor yesterday just for a follow-up, make sure old lappydog is in shape for the shape that I'm in. Now I'm heading home. Had a good lunch with Lewis and the rest of the gang, Scooter Mitchell, Haskell, Dupree and his wife. Had a great time. But we're going to ease on to the house, stop by Wally World, Walmart, pick up a few items. And I've been kind of redoing my garage a little bit. Maybe I can get into some of that today before the sun fall down. But I am in Knoxville on 275. I'm headed towards the house. Got my Verizon phone. Look at this car right here. Slappy wasn't going fast enough. Well, go on then, buddy. Hammer down. I figured I'd come out here and put something on you, y'all. I've been putting up all those videos from the Key West trip because I haven't been doing a whole lot of riding. You know, since it got, cold out here, I'm not one to ride in too cold weather, but I'm not one to ride to work. Let me make that clear. I get out here on certain days and get out here and ride throughout the winter, but riding to work, I'm not going to do it. I may ride to work tomorrow because it's supposed to be super nice. Might be a little chilly getting off work, but it's going to be real nice going to work and getting off work. So I may ride tomorrow and then kind of grit and grab Saturday morning getting home. But riding to work during the winter, man, I just don't do it. It's just too daggum cold for me. And I get too sleepy. I'm already be sleepy getting off work, driving trucks all night long. Then jump on the bike and put on all them gear. And then put on all the dealing with that cold weather just to go 50 miles. Got a little bit of a backup right here, y'all. We might have to be going another way if they got it messed up for us. Alcoa Highway, it was like that coming up here. Surely to goodness, it ain't like that now. And I can't even use my GPS. I don't even know how to use on this phone. to see what traffic is. I have to get myself familiar with it. What time is it? It's almost 4 o'clock. It is almost 4 o'clock. Well, with that being said, I believe I've taken up enough of you guys' time. And please like, share, and subscribe. I sure would appreciate it, you guys. It really helps out the channel. Alright, you guys, I'm going to head on this way. Arr!
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.